You might be feeling it right now: a tight chest, a clenched jaw, or racing thoughts. When you're under pressure, your breathing often becomes shallow and fast, but you can shift the rhythm. This is the 4-7-8 breathing technique. This exercise works by changing how your body processes stress. By making your exhale longer, you send a direct signal to your vagus nerve, the part of your nervous system responsible for rest and recovery. Stimulating this nerve heart rate and blood pressure. It tells your body to stop bracing for a threat and downshift into a calmer state. Let's begin the practice. Find a comfortable position. You can sit up straight or lie down. Relax your shoulders, let your hands rest heavily, and allow your jaw to soften. Controlling this biological lever gives you a practical way to pause and check in with yourself, providing a buffer before you react to the stressors of your day. First, place the tip of your tongue against the small ridge of tissue just behind your upper front teeth. You'll keep it resting there throughout the entire exercise. Because of your tongue's position, you will breathe out through your mouth around your tongue. Purse your lips slightly and listen for an audible whoosh sound as the air exits. We will follow a specific 4-7-8 ratio, inhaling quietly through the nose for 4 seconds, holding for 7, and exhaling with that whoosh sound for 8. Before we start the first count, take a normal breath in, and then let out a complete exhale through your mouth to empty your lungs. With your lungs prepped and your body positioned, we can begin the first cycle. Close your mouth and inhale quietly through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Notice the stillness. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now exhale completely through your mouth with a whoosh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Start the second cycle. Inhale quietly through the nose. 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. Try to remain still and present in this moment. 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale slowly. As you hear the sound of the breath leaving, try to let go of any physical tension you're holding in your shoulders. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This deliberate pacing is different from how we usually breathe. By slowing down the rhythm, you are encouraging your nervous system to follow suit. If you feel slightly lightheaded, don't be concerned. It's a common response that usually passes with practice. The most important part is maintaining the 4-7-8 ratio between the phases. Let's complete the final cycle. Inhale quietly. 2, 3, 4. Hold. Use this time to soften the muscles in your face and forehead. 5, 6, 7. A long, slow exhale. Let the air out until your lungs feel completely empty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. By finishing these deliberate cycles, you've provided your body with the physical cues it needs to begin settling into a more relaxed state. You can stop counting now. Let your breath find its own natural, automatic pace. Take a moment to scan your body. You may notice your heart rate has slowed, or that your limbs feel a bit heavier and more grounded against the floor or chair. This technique becomes more effective the more you use it. Try practicing these 4 cycles twice a day to help build your long-term resilience to stress. Now begin to bring some small movements back into your fingers and toes. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the room. This practice is now a part of your toolkit,